Wema nani kuphi ishell something bamba inkunzi. Hey! Awema! Angisoze ngamkhohlwa la mfana ngoba wangigowishisa ngivele ngigowisa. Givele it was umgowo after umgowo that year 2024. Guys, I'm sharing the story time because I'm hoping someone knows this guy. Ubon Tombela, guys. And ngizoyenza in 2 parts because it's quite lengthy. Anyways, how do I meet this guy? Ukuthi izifike la angibamba khona inkunzi. I met this guy, ngibuye mall nosiswami nomngani wakhe. Ngihamba nosiswami nomngani wasiswami sibayi 3 yabo. Angazi why that day we did not Uber home or taxi. It takes 10 rand, guys. Uber was going to be around 40 bucks. It takes 30 rand, you know. Angazi, guys, but we decided no, let's walk home. I don't okay, guys. Ha! Nansi moto evedane yama phambi kwethu. Yami moto phambi kwethu ilama thotha lawa eUber lawa vela dume ngokubamba abantu inkunzi. Angazi sasingabaleki ingani, guys. I don't know why we didn't run for our lives because like iToyota lebamba inkunzi eThekwini, well everywhere, you know. Anyways, these 2 guys cuz babe yithi emotweni besibuza how girls niyapha no siyala ngaphezulu intuzo makasini. Oh okay, sicela ukunjob. Angazi savuma kanjani. Angazi. But anyways, nangempela ke yabo bebe neqiniso basibeke endlini. But on our way bes invited kwi braai bethi no they have a braai later. Ngingazi ukuthi babefuna ukuyosibamba inkunzi sonke yini. Ubontombela nomngani wakhe ngizolokhe ngilisha igama lakhe. I hope there's someone who knows this guy, guys. Also, I think he's in construction as well because he kept on posting himself because there was a week where we actually spoke and he was posting himself emsebenzini, I think, because wayegqoka ama overall lawa okuba ku construction yana so yabo. So I don't know why I did not screenshot. But also, guys, if you are getting to know someone, akufiki ukuthi it's screenshot ithombe zakhe. It's like akufiki, guys, you know. Anyways, see, ngimtshele this guy we won't be able to attend ibraya because it says Pomilo already, and my mom does not appreciate abantu abantantayo. When uhamba mamolo, uhamba mabraya, no. Yabona nje ilanga lakho fanele ube strategic ukuthi yabo uphuma once wenze zonke izinto ofanele uzenze mase uyabuya endlini once. Ngamele ubuye late wenze yonke into yenzayo mase uyabuya kunokuthi uyangena uyaphuma uyangena uyaphuma. Anyways, athi Sharp, can I just take your numbers and then we'll see ukuthi sizochilla nini ke. Sharp nangempela ke yathatha ama number amukai. I'll be chatting during the week. Guys, let me do it part 2 because so part 2 on the way. Okay guys, part 2 of how it's still something bamba inkunzi. Anyways, guys, so look, is chat nalo but during the course of the week yabo kube khona a sense of ukuthi sesiyazana kancane because we are chatting throughout the week. And naye ulokhu uyazipost, and guys akufiki kumina ukuthi screenshot ithombe zabhuti bro, like phela he's not my boyfriend at the end of the day yabo. And ugayi uyazipost esemsebenzini construction wherever lapha asebenza khona, but wayigqoka ama rompa lawa construction yabo nama over nama those reflector whatevers. Anyways, so I was going through so much, guys. I was going through so much. I had just lost my job over something very silly. And I was feeling like they didn't give me grace, you know. But anyways, I told my mom, can I please take you esalon yabo Toto Sancane? And I was like, no, ungangiki imali ngizohamba ngiyabo ngishawa umoya. Nangempela mama akathandi ukuthi ngilokho ngihamba ngedwa. She likes driving me around yabo. Yimina ke ngize ngithi no, let me just go. Ukube ngalalela umzali. Anyways, ngihambe nge town and I post about it and abona uguy ukuthi okay, use town usisi. Uguy ngitexte, can I please fetch you? I'm like, yeah, sure. Plus, a deal. I'm just gonna pass SP. Give ama buffalo wings akona because I love them so much. I told okay, I'm gonna join you. Nangempela guys, mina ngifike SP order ngize ngidle ngiqede ugaya akafika. Give me text it. You know what? I'm just gonna go home now because I've been waiting for you. How all of a sudden, no, I'm outside. You know, guys, I was just ignoring all these red. Well, it was only one red flag. You know, how all of a sudden I'm outside. Mangiphuma uhamba nomngani wakhe. Wayethusa umngani wakhe. Wayethusa kufanele ngibone ukuthi angiyobanjwa inkunzi ngempela. Yeah, now Ubo, like he's in between, like he's caramelish, like not too light, not too dark. He's in between the two shades, yabo. how can we just go chill before you go home? How many hours do you have? I'm like, oh, Tunyana. I took care some to chill. How guys? Because you're late pint out. Smoke a sambil. All of a sudden, Zlock it up. How I'm a windy person. Lale like a winner beach. I don't want to say it again. I don't. Hey! Lale like a spare. Asifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu into ozoyenza manje ukuthi uzosinika ifoni yakho usinike ipassword yefoni yakho usinike ipassword ye banking app yakho. I was like, what on earth is happening? Ngimbuka guy lo engishela ngithi awubo kwenzakalani athi ungambuki step. Guys, angikaze ngabizwa ngesifebe so much in my life. Ngento engazi ukuthi ngenzeni. Guys, overall ubontombela nomngane akhe bangibamba inkunzi guys bethatha iPhone 14 Pro yami engangiyithenge guys ngeimali zami zokugcina and banginika 100 rand ukuthi ngigibele guys because bathatha everything that was like biyimali kumina bathatha yonke into bangishela imali yokugibela 100 rand. Shall sami njalo. Yabona guys, sometimes men will think that women are just mean, and sometimes we're also trying to protect ourselves because nakho-ke manje ngabambeka inkunzi mina. Anyways, sharp. Yabona ubontombela la khona uma uthi uyayibona le video enkulunkulu sazodila nawe wena. Yabona wena. Ngiyakutshela.